Eric Darling here with a completely SQL serverless video. Uh, we're not going to be talking at all about database anything. We're going to be talking about working out at home because that's something that we all have to do, and unless you have a home gym in a garage or basement that you've already outfitted or you're able to outfit before the end of times, you're probably left doing workouts that you're not used to doing, or you're probably a little bit stuck on what exactly to do to get your workout or to get a workout in at home. Now, if you are looking for a workout where you want to get biceps and triceps and blast your glutes or some other asinine thing, go, I don't know, download P90X and dance around your living room in your underwear. I don't have advice for you on that. Um, it's not the kind of working out I do. It's fine if you want to do it. It's just not for me. This workout does require some equipment. Pull-up bar, dumbbells, and resistance bands. Now, if you are if you want to buy that stuff, great. I will have links on my website uh, to things that I have found have been useful for me, and they will be affiliate links. And the reason that they are going to be affiliate links is because, additionally, if anyone out there would like to do this but is having a hard time affording that equipment, drop me a line and I'll see what I can do. So if you are going to buy something, and please use the affiliate link so that I can pay that forward a little bit. I'm not going to be sitting around hoarding Amazon gift cards for myself. I have enough stuff from Amazon. So anyway, let's talk about this here workout. It's a fairly simple. There's two workout sets, right? There's a day A and a day B. You can either do it 3 days a week, like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or you can do it 4 days a week, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. I do the 4 day because that's what I'm used to doing in the gym, and that's what I'd like to. Um, that's what I'd like to at least try to accomplish at home. Now, there is no replacement for barbell work at all. I wish there was. Not like I wish there was because I don't want to do it. I wish there was because when times like this, when I'm traveling or on vacation or something, I would like to be able to do workouts that keep me in the kind of form that I want to be in, but that's difficult to do. This is not going to keep you in full powerlifting strength training form, but it's I don't know. For me, I think this is the best thing I can do to get in the type of movements I want, so that I do not turn into a bag of soup, uh, waiting for this whole quarantine, self-isolation, social distancing thing to finish up or take effect, right? So there's day A, and we do push-ups, rows, pull-ups, push-ups, rows, pull-ups, and then we do some different stuff with bands, but we go back to pull-ups, and both days we'll finish with planks. Now, for push-ups, I tend to go wide. And I also tend to do them on dumbbells. So one good reason to have a set of dumbbells is to make doing push-ups better or harder, because when you do them from dumbbells, you can get in a little bit deeper and get a little bit more stretch in here. I tend to go wide with push-ups. You don't have to, but I tend to go wide because I already have fairly strong triceps. And then if I go with a standard sort of like shoulder width position for push-ups, and my triceps just kind of take over, and I don't get as much in the chest. I mean, I'm not an exercise physicist, but so I might be on the wrong path there, but that's just kind of what works for me. For pull-ups, I like to start wide and then come in when I just wear out on those. So if you get out wide and you do as many of those as you can, and then you go into the workout and you can't do them wide anymore, come in closer, they get a little bit easier to do. For push-ups, if you want to make them harder, now, there's a lot of gym workouts that, say, do a set until failure. And you're like, okay, I can do it till failure. That's no problem. At home, I found that until failure turned into until boredom. I don't take any great joy in doing a set of 30, 40, 50 push-ups. I like to make things harder so that I can do fewer of things and get in some strength in there. I don't want to run a push-up marathon. I want to have a strong chest. So to add resistance, and one way to add resistance on top of doing them from dumbbells is to sort of wrap a band around your back, hold the ends of the band here, and then do push-ups from the dumbbells with the band around your back so that when you get up to the top and the band starts to stretch, it gets harder. Another way to make push-ups harder is to put your feet up on something and do them at a decline. That's what I end up doing. For rows, no, I'll have links to how to do all this stuff in the blog post as well. There'll be not me doing them. There are websites out there that teach you how to do exercises, and they're they do it a lot better than I would. So I'm just going to link to things there. For the band chest flies and band pull aparts, they look exactly how they sound. You wrap a band around your back, you come in like this for the chest, and then for the band pull aparts, you just kind of pull a band apart like this. Gets those all important upper back slouching muscles so nice and strong. So you can have a nice strong slouch sitting at your computer all day. Day B is legs and shoulders. Now, day A is push and pull, so chest and back. Right, good set of exercises there. Day B is shoulders because shoulders are important, and I stuck that in with the lower body day because I wanted to get like some upper body work in, and I find that when I do chest and shoulders on the same day, unless I'm at the gym and I have the right equipment, that it's a little bit harder to go back and forth and like switch dumbbells and like I have adjustable dumbbells, so I go like fiddle with stuff to get weights in. It's a pain in the butt. So I stuck shoulders on the leg day. So squats, very important for legs. Probably the most important exercise you can do. You can do them with dumbbells. I find that a little bit clunky because I have very long arms, or not very long arms. I think my arms are the same length as my legs. I have some genetic defect. I mean, multiple genetic defects, but that's definitely like one that has shown itself physically, is that my arm is the same length as my leg or something. So I find doing dumbbell squats a little bit difficult because I clunk the dumbbells on the floor a lot. So one way to get around that is to wrap several bands around from your feet to your shoulders and do squats that way. You can still get dumbbells involved, but it makes it a little bit easier to get in some decent squatting. Overhead press with dumbbells, fairly self-explanatory. Start with your hands down here, push up, straight line. Band deadlifts, not my favorite thing in the world, but I just don't have dumbbells that come anywhere near an appropriate deadlift weight. In the gym, I don't know, close to 600. At home, I have two 50-pound dumbbells, and that's not going to do it for me, so I have to grab a bunch of bands, stand on them, and pull up, and that still doesn't quite do it, but it's better than nothing. And then shrugs, again, good, keep those slouching muscles strong. And then RDLs require a little bit of Romanian deadlift, and that is where you keep your legs nice and stiff and straight, and you bend forward, holding some weight, and that will get you some hamstring work, some lower back work. Feels nice. Have a strong lower back. Maybe someday you'll stop slouching if you get a strong enough back. And then side and rail lat raise is great for the shoulders, great for the middle of the shoulder. Overhead press will concentrate on the front of the shoulder. These ones will get the middle of the shoulder and the back of the shoulder, which gives you that nice like round shoulder and back, which is a good feeling. And again, we're going to finish off with planks here. Now for day A, I go through that twice. And for day B, I go through that 3 times because there are fewer exercises, and it just takes a little bit of extra work to get any sort of good. I don't know. What do I say? Pump in the legs? Just for my legs to feel like they did work, for them to feel fatigued. So that's that. Other than that, I don't know. Fairly simple, fairly easy stuff. If you need any help or further advice on this, don't hesitate to get in touch. Either, I don't know, leave a comment, shoot me an email, whatever it is. I don't know. If you follow me on Twitter, you can, or you could always bother me there. I don't know. I tend to pay attention to that thing because I have nothing else to do except listen to screaming children and Google how to soundproof your office unsuccessfully. Anyway, thank you for watching. Happy working from home, happy working out, and I don't know, I'll probably just go back to technical stuff because I felt like a fish out of water talking about this stuff instead. Oh man, that was embarrassing. All right, goodbye.